In this video, I'll show you how to join to the private server on Roblox game. Well, so joining to a private server on the Roblox game is super easy. But before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to join a private server, make sure you have been added to that server as well. If you're not yet, then ask your friend to add you to that specific server that you want to join. And after that, you just need to go and open up the search bar at the very top and then simply go and search for the game name. And once you get the game, go ahead and tap on the game, and then you just need to scroll down from this page and he'll get to see the option called server. Go ahead and tap on this one. Inside this one, you'll get to see the server that has been created. Now to join the server, you just need to tap on join button here and you will be able to join to that specific server. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.